Hybiz News. My name is Suresh Kochatal. IBM says it's breaking off a $19 billion chunk of its business to focus on cloud computing. The 109-year-old tech company said on Thursday that it's spinning off its managed infrastructure services unit into a new public company, temporarily named as NewCo. The separation is expected to take effect by late 2021. IBM CEO Arvind Krishna said the split will help IBM focus on its cloud platform and artificial intelligence, while the newly formed company will provide services to manage the infrastructure business and other organizations. IBM's annual revenue was $77.1 billion last year. Krishna said in April in his first quarterly earnings call as CEO that the company will continue to eliminate software and services that won't align with IBM's top two focus areas for growth: cloud computing and artificial intelligence. Once a household name for its personal computers, IBM shed its PC business in 2005 and has since become focused on supplying software services to big businesses, governments, and other organizations. IBM has worked to strengthen its cloud computing business but has struggled to compete with top cloud rivals like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. Cloud computing in 2020 is more mature, growing multifold, and likely to become more focused on vertical and sales ground war as leading vendors battle for market share. Picking the top cloud services provider isn't easy, given that the answer, much like the enterprise software and IT in general, boils down to it depends. Whether it's Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform in infrastructure as a service, or IBM, Dell, Hewlett-Packard, and VMware in multi-cloud hybrid deployments, there are multiple variables for each enterprise. Ditto for software as a service, where the likes of Salesforce, Adobe, and Workday battle SAP and Oracle, and infrastructure and database as a service player. The COVID-19 pandemic and the move to remote work and video conferencing are accelerating the moves on the cloud. Enterprises are increasingly seeing cloud as a digital transformation engine, as well as technology that improves business continuity. As work was forced to go remote due to stay-at-home orders, tasks were largely done on cloud infrastructure. Collaboration tools such as Microsoft Teams and Google Meet became cogs in the company's broader cloud ecosystem. Multi-cloud is both a selling and an aspirational goal for enterprises. Companies are well aware of the vendor lock-in and want to abstract their application so that they can be moved across cloud. The multi-cloud theme is being promoted among legacy vendors that have created platforms that can plug into multiple clouds, often with a heavy dose of VMware or Red Hat. The game is about data acquisition. The more corporate data that resides in the cloud, the stickier the customer is to the vendor. It is no secret that cloud computing vendors are pitching enterprises on using their platforms to house data for everything from analytics to personalized experiences. Artificial intelligence, analytics, Internet of Things, and edge computing will be differentiators among the top cloud service providers, as well as serverless and managed services. The market share graph has largely gone AWS, which was early and adds services at a rapid clip, and the go-to cloud service provider. AWS's ability to upsell artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and analytics will be critical. Microsoft Azure is also looking to differentiate via artificial intelligence and machine learning. Google Cloud Platform has gained ground due to its machine learning know-how. This is going to be an interesting mix in the days to come.